Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today, in this video, we shall learn about the divisibility rules. Now, what is the meaning of the divisibility rule? Divisibility means divisible. So, these rules help us to identify the number which are divisible by the particular number or not. For example, divisibility by 2. Now, what is the rule for the divisibility by 2 and why it is used? Children, see, divisibility rules are used to check whether the given number is divisible by the other or not without dividing. So if I ask you 8, is 8 divisible by 2? So what we have to do? We have to divide and then only we can say that whether it is divisible by 2 or not. If the remainder is 0, then we can say yes, 8 is divisible by 2. Now if I ask you 9, is it divisible by 2? Now you will again divide it. You will get 1 as the remainder. So since remainder is 1, since it is not 0, so we can say that 9 is not divisible by 2. Okay? So how we can find it out without dividing? There is a rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number. Even number means is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the last digit of any number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then we, without dividing, we can directly say that it is divisible by 2. Now let us take one example. Suppose I ask you 2496. Now can you tell me, is this number divisible by 2? Is this number comes in 2's table? If you multiply with many numbers, is it divisible by 2? Without dividing, you have to say it without dividing, just by looking into the number. Now you might be thinking how we can say without dividing? By using the rule. What is the rule? If the last digit is an even number, let us see the last digit, it is 6. So 6 is an even number, isn't it? So we can say, what we will write here? Since the last digit of 2496 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay? So this is the way in which we can check any number whether it is divisible by 2 or not by just looking into its last number. So this was the rule for 2. Now if I ask you whether this given number 2496 is it divisible by 3, so will you use the same rule? But why? Why we will use the same rule? No, we will not use the same rule because 2 is a different number and 3 is a different number. So there must be different rules, right? So there is a different rule for divisibility by 3. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Now what does it mean? 2496. Let us take the same number. Now is this number divisible by 3? Show this without dividing. Okay, so what we will do, according to the rule, we have to find the sum of digits. Sum of digits means the number whichever here is given, we will add these digits. 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6. So how much we'll get here? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So we get here 21. Now is 21 divisible by 2? The sum, the answer of sum, is it divisible by 3? Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21, right? So what we will write? Since we have to find this, okay children? Since the sum of its digits is divisible by 21, so 2496 is also divisible by is also divisible by 3. Sorry, since the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, it should be 3 here. Since this number is divisible by 3, the answer, so we can say without dividing, बिना divide किए हम बता सकते हैं कि ये जो number है ये भी 3 से divide होगा. So this is the rule for divisibility by 3. I hope you have understood divisibility by 2 and 3. In the next video, we will learn more divisibility rules. So, thank you for watching.